Where do you think the prices of BTC and Ethereum are going? Cardano as well should be shooting through the roof very soon. They're getting into smart contracts and NFTs in a big way in the future. And there's some news this month, September the 12th. I believe this could be a date for Cardano. I've got a lot of Cardano. I've been saving Cardano for a while. I'm starting to look on this CoinMarketCap a lot more recently. I'm starting to get involved in crypto a little more deeper, a little better than I have done in the past. Avoiding passive income services is definitely priority for me going forward. Don't get me wrong, I am going to get involved with some services that will pay out, but only if I believe they're going to be there for the long term. So the future for my crypto project going forward is going to be trading and getting into a lot more tokens. I'm going to be expanding my portfolio massively, and I'm also going to be using this CoinMarketCap as well. We can actually create a portfolio in CoinMarketCap. So what I intend to do going forward now is, with anything I decide to go for, from picking it from CoinMarketCap, I'm going to add it to my portfolio, and I'm going to buy a minimum $100 of everything that I decide to go for from here, and start growing a portfolio of proper cryptos, guys. I mean, all the news with crypto recently is good for the future of crypto. It's definitely getting more and more popular. More and more people are asking more and more questions. So getting involved with these tokens and coins is a must, and expanding that portfolio is also a must. I mean, obviously, guys, this is just my crypto project. Whatever you do with yours is entirely up to you. Anything I say is purely for entertainment purposes. It's certainly not financial advice. And you must understand that when you're watching my videos. I'm just sharing my experiences with my crypto project, and all these tokens that I'm looking at, you'd be surprised, guys, I'm already involved with most of them. I mean, when AUTHY hits a certain price, I'm getting like nearly half a Bitcoin coming my way. I mean, so I'm already heavily involved with a lot of these tokens, but what I want to do going forward is learn a lot more about all these tokens. I mean, this AXS, believe it or not, that's linked to a Chrome game platform, and you can buy land and you can do everything on this particular game, where you're going to be needing AXS in order to purchase all the products that they sell on it, you know, like a Facebook type game. This crypto.com, now this one has got my attention. This is what we're going to be looking at right now for myself, I think. So as I've been going through this CoinMarketCap today, I mean, I tried to sign up to crypto.com, the actual exchange itself, but unfortunately I've had a bit of trouble with my identification and I couldn't really get onto it properly. But I'm not bothered about being involved with the exchange. I'm already involved with many exchanges, and I'm happy that I'm involved with lots of exchanges. Had my identity been gone through, had I been able to sort it all out properly, then I would have been using this exchange as well. But that doesn't stop me being able to invest in the exchange. I mean, the value of the token right now is only 16 cents. I mean, when we click on the actual website here, you know, it's the world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million users buying and selling 100 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the crypto.com Visa card and get 8% back, up to 8% back, that is. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards. And as we can see here, it's a mobile app. You can actually get a web version of it also. And just like any other exchange, you know, this is going to be highly secure. And as we can see here, we're scrolling down further, these are the Visa cards that are going to be used via the platform. I'd imagine it'll just be taking a little bit of our cash from our exchange, or maybe we might be having to buy the crypto coin. You know what I mean? The crypto.com coin, and then it's the crypto.com coin that's being used. I'm not too sure yet, guys, but I'm definitely going to be looking into this one a lot more. I'll look into the white paper, I'll read the white paper, and I'll do an introduction video for crypto.com. But right now, it's definitely something I want to get involved with. I mean, with all the projects out there, I mean, why just stick with one or two? You know what I mean? I've been telling myself for ages I was with one project, and I've been looking forward to this project growing. But why stick with one project when we can get involved with lots? We've got to diversify anyway. So mycryptoproject.com going forward, guys, is going to be diversifying massively. It's going to be creating a large portfolio of as many of the tokens as I see fit to go in my portfolio that I find on CoinMarketCap. When we're looking at crypto.com coin here, we can see the all-time results for it here, and we can see when it was in the red zone here, that was only 1 cent, and at the moment It's hit 16 cents. It's been as high as 25 cents. Do I think it'll go higher than 25 cents? Most definitely. I am definitely getting a bag of crypto.com coins. Absolutely. What's this here? Social crypto.com coin price estimates. Place your estimate here, at least one, to see how others. So yeah, look, if I put an estimate in here now, it's going to tell me what others think the price is going to be. So when's it asking me for when it's going to be? Place your estimates for the next 6 months and see what others are thinking about it. Data displayed are based on the user's input compiled by CoinMarketCap. So let's have a look at this realistically. Over the next 6 months, so what are we on here now? What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, it's gone from 5 cents to 15 cents. So there's 200%. If we went 200% again, it'd be going 32.48 cents. And if we went 2 times over the all-time high, that'd put us at 75 cents. I mean, that's just little guesstimates, that. So I just want to see what others are thinking. So let's put 75 cents. Submit estimate. 75 cents. Submit estimate. Estimations. People are saying down. People are actually going lower. Your estimate's 75%. That would be 359% profit. Do you want to know? And I'm going to go for it. Let's see where we can buy it. Huobi. So we can see everywhere where we can buy it here. I'm on Bittrex, KuCoin. I'm actually on BitThumb, but I don't use it. So I might start using BitThumb. I mean, that's one of the more popular exchanges. That's definitely worth having in our portfolio for sure. So I'm going to have a look at Huobi Global and buy $100 worth right now. Get this portfolio started. So I've logged into Huobi Global now. And as we can see, I've got no available USD Tether or BTC. They're selling it in USD Tether and HUSD and also BTC here. But I do have a large holding of ACH here. ACH is a coin called, or token called Alchemy. And it's called Alchemy because obviously getting all the solid materials in the world together and then producing gold is what alchemy is all about. And that's exactly what their platform is about, guys. Alchemy. They are connecting all the fiat gateways, fiat payment gateways and crypto payment gateways together. Even PayPal and MasterCard and Visa all getting involved. So yeah, I've become a big fan of ACH. I'll leave a video at the end of this video explaining more about it and why I think it's worth getting involved. In fact, I should be adding this to my portfolio on CoinMarketCap. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to sell $100 worth simply so I can buy my first bag of crypto.com coins, all linked to their exchange. I'd imagine we're going to have reduced fees and other benefits using this token. But like I say, guys, I'm going to do another video in the near future doing an intro, just like there's an intro at the end of this one for ACH. So basically, I only want to buy $100 worth. I'm going to be putting that in my CoinMarketCap portfolio here. I'll be adding a lot more tokens to this as we go, and we can check the profit and loss as we go as well with this. But I'll do more videos on CoinMarketCap and the use of this portfolio as we go forward. So obviously I only want to sell $100 worth of tokens right now. So we'll put in the price there where people are willing to buy at, and I'm just going to keep going until that says 100 at the bottom here. So that'll do for me. Sell. So I'm actually selling 1,000 tokens right now. Don't worry, I'll trade up and get them back for sure. So now I've got $100 to purchase Crow at such a cheap price. Go.com, that's just a ticker for the tokens, obviously. So I'm on 4-hour bars here. Let's go to a day bar. And as we can see, we've been in a dip here. It's come as low as 8 cents. Would have been nice to have got involved as low as that point, but I'm still happily getting involved at 16 cents. And we know, we've seen a lot of these exchange tokens really take off in price. So I'm quite happy to hold a bag of these for sure. So I'm just going to go market and then 100. And that has bought me 787 Crow. So now we can go back to my portfolio here. We'll go to create portfolio. New crypto portfolio. So we'll create a new one there. We'll call it new crypto portfolio. Create new. And now when we click on that, we can see what it's all about. And as we can see, there's obviously nothing in my portfolio. So let's add something. We just bought Crow, crypto.com coin, 787 total spent. Well, that's not right. We only spent $100, didn't we? Let me go back and have a look at that. I must have already had some. So I already had some CRO, because I do day trade on a lot of these exchanges, and sometimes when I'm day trading I just save some of the tokens as well as trading up my Bitcoin. So the true amount I bought, as we can see here on the order history, is 611. So let me go back and change this to what it was, 611. So there we go, add transaction. So now as we can see here, my new crypto portfolio, I've only spent $100, and that's exactly what it's worth, $100 right now. So we can keep track of this over the coming weeks, months, years, and just see what happens to the value of some of these tokens when we purchase them for the long term. You know what I mean? I mean, a lot of you guys out there are probably working. You know, I've been working most of my life. I mean, crypto's changed my life now for sure. And you might have 100 quid a week or 100 quid a month to invest in crypto. So it is worth just buying a little bag of some of your favourite cryptos each and every week and just let it amount up over the years. I mean, doing something like that might end up paying for your retirement. You know, we're all working hard. I mean, I say we're all working hard. Crypto's stopped that for me, although I do put more hours into this than I did at work. But I love it. But yeah, crypto is changing people's lives. Even just buying a little bag every week, month, and just letting it accumulate over the years. I mean, had you been buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dodge, Stellar and Tron, just buying $10 worth every single week for the last couple of years, imagine what kind of cash you'd have now. Well anyway, that's what I'm going to prove with my crypto project going forward, that this is a better way of making money from crypto than these passive income services. A lot of us got lost in that world of passive income to get out of it, and this is the way out of it. A profitable way out as well. Anyway guys, like I say, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing with my crypto project. If you like what I'm doing with my crypto project, then click the like button and you can be sure I'll do a hell of a lot more videos. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.